Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Merry Christmas to all. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Here we go. All you gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, grab one at a low cost. Bam! Oh, here we go. Something crazy going on with my phone today. But hopefully everyone had a good day so far. And good old Santa Claus will be shortly for your Christmas Day morning, guys. And we have here my passport, Western Digital, 2 terabyte external hard drive. Show you how it's done. It's a great deal they got going on right now. I'll be right back. Blah. Alrighty, here we go. We got the Western Digital 2 terabyte my passport external hard drive. Really cool for laptops, desktops. Good to have one of these now, especially with social media and everything going. With photos, you could store tons of photos. Gaming, you could do. And I'm pretty sure you could format this to like the PS4 or Xbox. But you can have a lot of games on this, and this is good size to have do your video editing on this portable. Look how tiny this guy is. Never thought we would have like memory like this big, from especially the good old days from like floppy disk and hard disk and all that good stuff. It's crazy how this has changed a lot. USB right here. Should be easy peasy one to connect to. Boom, boom, boom. Don't need that manual. Here she is. We need this though, right here. Perfect travel size to take with you, especially all you laptop, Mac, Book Pro users, and what is it, Alien, and a bunch of others. But this is a good one to get. Western Digital 2 terabyte. Plug in, play, ready. Well, plug and upload. So I just gotta plug it in. Right in here to the slot. Boom. Boom. And I'm gonna go over to my computer and we're gonna upload it and maybe test run it out somehow. We'll figure it out. I'll be right back though. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back on this my passport 2 terabyte external hard drive. We found a spot now. All you gotta do is find your USB and you plug her in. There we go. I'm gonna turn her around and show you guys a memory of this. Oh, there it is. It found it, so that's a good thing. Always a good thing. Alright, kiddies. You can store a lot of Fortnite editing, all your gaming clips. A lot of cool stuff with this hard drive. So, let me get a little situated here. And then, still got a little bit organizing still to do for this Christmas Eve. Like I said, Santa Claus will be shortly coming. Uh-oh, cameras are down. And you guys can get one of these at a low cost. All you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your shopping cart. You should get it by the weekend. But see, I'm gonna have to put it somewhere. I'm gonna find some spot for it, but for right now, I'm gonna have to pop into I think it's under this one. Alright, focus. Should tell me. Okay. Alright, one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, I found it. Took me a minute. Just had to open up your devices. And you guys can see right there my passport Here we go. There's all the good stuff. 2 terabyte. And Western. Everything's working. Properties. Check this out. But definitely a good one to keep for your gaming. Backup files, anything you guys do. Especially, like I said, with social media these days. Details. Installed, requested. So there you go. Like I said, 2 terabyte. Easy to use. And that's about it. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, add it to your shopping cart. Get this fast before they sell out. So they got a good deal going on right now with these. So definitely take advantage of it. Get it fast shipped to you in no time. Be safe. Merry Christmas to all. And I hope to see you guys soon before the new year. Till then, be safe.